Hi there, this is Mike and Carson. We're here at home and we're getting ready to take on the River Sport Cardboard Canoe Challenge. So, we've been putting a lot of thought into this, what we want to build, and we've got all our supplies ready. We've got our cardboard, our markers, our lot of duct tape, our knife, and now it's just we got to get after it. So, Carson, what are you going to build?
I'm going to build a mix between Star Wars and obviously Fortnite.
A mix between Star Wars and Fortnite. Well, of course. That this should be really interesting, and let's. We got a lot of work to do. You know what I'm going to build?
Indiana Jones.
Indiana Jones. Well, that sounds pretty good. I would, but you know what? It is the 10-year anniversary of the Devon Boathouse, and I've always thought about the fact that all our boathouses in the Boathouse District are designed to look like boats. So what would happen if we tried to actually design a cardboard Devon boathouse and see if it floats? So that's my challenge, and we're going to get after it. We'll show you our progress along the way and see if these things will float. So here we go. Well, the rain slowed us down a little bit, but we finally finished our cardboard boats just in time for Carson's 9th birthday today. Okay, so now we're gonna go take a look at them and see if they float.
This is my boat. It says Fortnite, as you can see, and this is the control panel. And don't tell anyone, but the password is first on the basic controls. I'm just pretending it turns it on. It's orange, red, blue, green, and then for these, it's DAB.
Cool. All right. Well, we're gonna see if it floats. Do you think it'll float?
Yes. I mean, probably, maybe, because, well, it might hold too much weight because there's a storage thing inside, and the icebreaker.
Oh, the icebreaker. Yeah. Well, we'll have to check it out. Give it a big shove. Here's my boat, the Devon Boathouse. Have no idea if it'll float, but we're going to give it a try. Well, the big float test was successful. Carson, what'd you think?
I thought it was really cool.
It was really cool. We encourage you guys to try it at home. Parents, it's actually kind of stress relieving, strangely therapeutic, but we're going to keep doing this, and we hope that you take the Cardboard Canoe Challenge. We'll have a little race here down the road at the boathouse, but until then, stay healthy, stay safe. Thanks.